Hello, my name is Michael. I want to tell you today about our new column MAC2, which is a very smart and nice design column. It can lift from 1500, actually 1000 Newton to 3500 Newton. And today we want to drive with first the small one, which is 300 millimeter in stroke. I just connect it now to the Movetec control box. I make a reset. That's for telling the control box there's only one column connected. We can drive. This is now with a 2000 Newton actuator inside. And all our columns have built-in end switches. The columns, they also come with hall sensors, which are allowing more columns to connect to each other and drive synchronized. We have two different build modes. This is the small profile coming up. Over here we have the large profile, which are going up. I will connect the bigger one, which is a 400 millimeter stroke. I have to reset again to tell the control box that now we have suddenly two columns. So now we can drive with two columns. The 400 millimeter here is a little more quick. It is only 1500 Newton. Both our columns are coming with, or you can have an additional plate with outside mounting holes. And this column, this plate is just the same plate for both ends. If you have the small profile, it fits directly on that, and also the bigger profile here, it's the same plate. Same hole, same distance, should be very easy. Thank you for listening. Bye.